Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's found right underneath the video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, really excited. I knew this box was coming today. I was ready for it. I pulled out all my orange and my new orange Laura Mercier lipstick that I wanted to try. And then I got my box, and as you know on my channel, what I do is I open up the box prior to sitting down here, and I take a picture for my Instagram, which is True Ones with the number 2. So I really hope that you're following me there, because there's a lot that I post there that I don't always have the opportunity to share on a video. So the link will be found in the description box down below, and it's True Ones with the number 2. So I opened up my box, and inside I'm getting ready to see that gorgeous Ace palette, and my variation did not have it. However, I do have a second box coming, so fingers crossed I will get that. If not, I know there is a gorgeous Ace palette that is sitting in add-ons with my name on it. So if I don't get it in that box, I will be purchasing it through the add-ons. But I like to wait to see, because I don't want to end up with duplicate eyeshadow palettes, because I have more eyeshadow palettes than I know what to do with. It's just, I'm very intrigued by it, and those colors were speaking to me. So if I'm lucky enough to get it in the box, great. If not, I always have that alternative for add-ons. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through everything that I got here. My box is still amazing. It's just I was expecting that palette. So I have all the information that's on the back of the card here. What I do is I also share in the description box the cost, the names, the variations, everything in the description box, links to our business, Improving Lifestyles, and all of that. So always check the description box, because as my channel grows, I add links, I get discount codes. So always read, take a glance down, and you'll be able to get a lot of information that I don't share on the channel all the time. So the theme this month is Spellbound. And the first item was my choice item this month. And this one I'm so excited to get. So this one is this from Glow Recipe. From what I know, this was a newer launch of Glow Recipe, and I'm so happy that they put it in the Boxycharm base box, because then so many of us will have the opportunity to get an opportunity to try this product. So if you're not familiar with Glow Recipe, it is really a fantastic skincare line. Their watermelon scents are fantastic. Their mists that have the watermelon scents became my favorite. I ended up having to get backups of that as well. So really excited about this, and their bottles are cute. Like everything about it, including the actual product inside, is really good. So let's read on the card what they say about this product. They're saying Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. They're saying this is a highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid. It will visibly brighten your skin and deliver an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. You can use it as a hydrating highlighter serum before moisturizer, or as your last step in your routine. This is a $34 value alone. So if you're not familiar, Boxycharm started in the subscription business with this base box. And what they did was they really helped change the industry from us getting little samples into full-size products. So this is a $25 a month box that gives you 5 full-size products, free ship in the USA. So this is the item here. It has a pump to it. We're just going to put a little bit on our hand here. Oh yeah, it has that watermelon scent. And then and it's a really nice serum, because it's not running or anything. So when you put this on, yeah, it's that exact same scent. It's that watermelon. So if you've had those spritzers from this brand, it is exactly that scent. So really excited about that. So they're saying it will quickly absorb. So we will do that. And the scent is so scrumptious. All right. The next item that I received is from Laura Geller, and this is Spackle. This is her Skin Perfecting Primer, and it is in the Hydrate. And when I showed you guys in the spoilers, when I knew that this was one of the potential products, I did a video that showed you what the options were when we get the box. We always get the spoilers and things like that, but there's also from Boxycharm that they send out where you're able to see what the item, if you don't get this, you might get that. And I love being able to share those videos with you, and I did one for the base box. So this one here is called Spackle. And Laura Geller, I got introduced to her brand through the QVC world, and Spackle was one of the first primers that she came out with that she named Spackle, which was such a great name because she said it's like priming your face like you're priming a wall. And I thought that was a great way to name a product, calling it Spackle. So this is the Skin Perfecting Primer in Hydrate. And what I was telling you was when I went on the website to double check to see more information about the product, this is available in a bunch of different types. And the one I think that's in the Boxycharm boxes is the Hydrate one. So this one says, farewell dry, flaky skin. Quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer. It's a primer and to save time on your beauty regimen. Featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid and antioxidant botanical ingredients, this nourishing formula will brighten and replenish your skin for a healthier complexion. To create a smooth canvas for your improved foundation wear, keep your face feeling fresh all day. And this is a $32 value on its own. So the values are always there in these boxes because these are full retail. And if you come from that world, which I did, these were the prices that we always paid. So the boxes are always fantastic. For me anyways, the value is always there and then some, but you do get a lot of product. So if you're a girl that enjoys skincare and makeup, then subscription boxes are for you. At least they are for me. The next item in here was this one from Hanalei Beauty. This is their matte bronzer. When I showed you their website, this only had one color to it. And this is the Glow Lake Hawaiian Goddess with this cruelty-free natural matte bronzer. This is a long wear powder that gives us that sun-kissed look. It's fresh from day at the beach. There's a unique formula that applies smoothly. Apply with a brush to define your cheekbones and enhance your natural beauty. This alone is a $25 value. And the other products that I've tried from this brand, I really, really have been enjoying. So I'm excited. And the color looks like it's a good color match for me. So let me show you what that looks like here. So that is the bronzer there, and we'll do it where we didn't put all the creams. And it went on very smooth. That is what that looks like there. So really, really excited that I got this because this was on my wants list. So excited about that. The next item is from Haus Labs. This is the brand by Lady Gaga, and this is her Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. They're saying this is the Haus the power of our own creativity with this versatile, multifaceted shimmer liquid eyeshadow. It is a late whisk, smudge-proof liquid to powder formula. It's an easy layer and blend to your eyes. Always have the spotlight. Build up the creaseless pigment intensity. It's simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down, and this is a $20 value. And the name on the cart here, on the carton, says it is Angel Baby. And again, this is our magnifier. You can find this in the Improving Lifestyles accessory. The link is down below. And this one here, look, packaging on this is just gorgeous. She has, this seems to be her trademark that she does that has almost like a diamond on the top, and it is clear on the bottom, so you're able to see what the color is. So if you're storing it, it's an easy to know what the color is. And let's see what this looks like here. So it has an angle applicator. This is new to me. I never saw this product before, and it's stunning. That is the color there. What I would suggest is, for me, what I'm gonna probably do now that I did this, and I always suggest, even if you're not showing things to people, always look at the products on the back of your hand first, so you can feel the consistency, you can know what it's all about. So for me, this has a little bit of time to it to spread it around. So to me, that little bit would have been too much because my eyes are so small. So what I would do is I would put it on the back of my hand exactly how I did, and then I would take a brush to it, and then I would paint it on my eyelids. But that is stunning. And you could definitely wear this as eyeshadow or as or as a highlighter. Really, really pretty. Wow, that's a nice surprise. And then the last item was this. So this is one that there was, the last item is in this box. When I remember doing that video, and it's already weeks ago, there was really only one or two items, so it was really an either or, that either one would have been, just a ho-hum for me. But This is the Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes. And what I do remember is when I went on their actual website to look for this product, I couldn't find it. I had to look for it elsewhere. So this one is to simplify your routine with this 2-in-1 wipes. They are to gently remove your makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning your skin with witch hazel. This also has glycerin and olive oil to swipe off cloth across your skin to gently remove all your makeup, even waterproof mascara, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. It's suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne-prone skin. This is 100% biodegradable. This is $20, and they're saying this is a new launch. So maybe that's why I didn't see it on the website. I'm happy that they mentioned that it was a new launch. And this is also 100% biodegradable. There's 60 towelettes in here. This is very heavy. My box really felt really heavy, and this is something that I would have loved to have taken when I travel, so that, you know, before or after the airplane I can freshen up and things like that. But this is really, really heavy. So this is probably going to be something that I'm going to leave here, but I'm excited to have the opportunity to try it, because I do use these biodegradable wipes after I finish everything to make sure I get everything off, or if I'm in a hurry, I like to use these wipes to be the first part of my cleansing routine. So I do like wipes. I just was expecting something that I wasn't sure about, but based on the information on the card, I'm really happy now that this is a new launch and we're getting the opportunity to try it. So that's why I'm saying it's very hard, because of the spoilers and watching other girls open up boxes when the boxes for me come a little bit later. I do sneak peek at other people's boxes, and then I get my hopes up high for certain things that are in their boxes. So like I said, I'm happy with my box. I'm happy that add-ons is available, so that if it comes down to my second box not having that palette in it, there is a palette that I have my eye on in the add-ons. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that that second box will arrive before the add-ons close, so that I'll have access to it. And that's everything that I have for you guys today. So please share with me in the comments down below if you're like me, you were expecting a palette in your box and you didn't get it, or if you received similar items to me, or if you've had the opportunity because you got your boxes earlier to try some of the products. Please share that in the comments down below as well. And that's it for today. So take care, everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.